And one more thing, ma'am, creating a first impression matters a lot. Like, whether we are in college,
Absolutely.
whether we are in working
Yes.
professionals,
True.
like, whether we are going for attending any interviews for
Mm-hmm.
that matter.
Yeah.
But most people
Yes.
fail to make that first impression. As the saying goes, you will never get a second chance to make a first impression. So how to
Very
make
true.
an appealing first impression so that the interviewer get impressed and they'll have a very good relationship with us.
The first point is how you are dressing up and what etiquette are you following while coming in front of an interviewer.
Okay.
People often feel that I know everything. Why should I get dressed well? Who would look at my... Now, getting well dressed doesn't mean wearing brands. Getting well dressed means everything should be in proper place.
Okay.
Complete hygiene maintenance. The way your shirt or your pants, or if there is a female, for example, whatever you are wearing should be neatly ironed, should be clean. For example, if you're wearing formal shoes, those are clean, because nobody is going to see the price tag or the brand of those. But people will see how hygienically you have wore those. Is your hair in a proper manner? If you're wearing some jewelry or accessories, are you in a proper coordination with the corporate? Now, second, your confidence, your body language.
Okay.
Are you entering into the room confidently with a positive smile on your face, or is your body language showing arrogance? Now, a lot of people, they become so overconfident in their body language that it itself become an arrogant factor. Interviewer do notice all of these aspects. The way you are showing a hello gesture to them. Are you waiting for them to tell you to sit, or you are just assuming yourself? How are you staring at them? Are you staring at them, or are you making a proper eye contact with them? Now, these are a couple of things which really determine if you are creating a first impression, a good positive first impression, or is it your last day. So right at that moment, the interviewer will create a mindset for you. And then follows the interview process. So it's very important that we take care of our body language and of our dressing while appearing for an interview with proper etiquette. Are we saying hello, or are we saying a hi?
Okay. And